here's Brodie Brazil.
This will be one of the quicker videos here on my channel, but honestly, it's an important one. It's something that I still think about after every flight. Did I do my final checks? And I don't just mean like, did I shut the hangar door and lock it, although that is also an important consideration, or did I tie down the aircraft, or did I leave my knee board inside the plane? Of course, I'll think about those things, but most importantly, did I secure the airplane in a proper way? Now, there's three things I go back and reference every single time when I'm shutting the airplane down. Mixture, mags, and master. 3 M's. So it should be easy to remember. Mixture, mags, master. And if you can go through those things and not only say them, but then do them one by one, and then even rehearse it one more time. Confirm, mixture, all the way out. Mags, turned off. Master switch, off. If you've done those three things, and so long as the airplane is stopped, maybe you could pull the parking brake, throw the chocks in, or if you're going to tow it into your hangar, whatever. I'm just saying these are the three big ones that a lot of pilots will drive away from the airplane and go, I'm like 99% sure on that, but I'm not 100. 99 is a good number, but 100% is where you need to be to rest comfortably about leaving the airplane secured. So mixture, obviously, why are we talking about that? You pull that red knob out on a Cessna like this, probably, is that a 172, 82? No fuel equals no engine. Nothing's going to be happening with that motor so long as the mixture has been pulled, right? And that's what stops the propeller. So it's more than likely this one's going to happen, but just to be sure, make double sure that it's all the way out, right? That's going to prevent some problems by having that all the way out. The magnetos, off, all the way to the left. And I don't mean on the right or the left. Obviously, it would be on both if it were operating normally, but make sure it's all the way to the left. Once it's there, pull the key out, right? You don't want any chance that one of the mag switches are on, somebody spins the propeller just for fun, and something bad happens. So all the way off, make sure the mags are off. And then last but not least, and this is actually one of the more costly situations, right? You don't want to run your battery to the ground, whether you'll have to recharge it, whether it'll stay on and get overly drained, and then you might even have to replace it or repair it. Make sure your master switch is off. And a nice way to even remind yourself is to always leave that beacon switch on. The beacon light, keep that up. It's right next to the fuel pump there. If you do that, right? If I walk out of the airplane, and this has happened to me, so this is firsthand experience, left the master switch on, walk out of the airplane and go, beacon's on. Beacon's on, master switch is still on, right? So a host of other complications if you don't turn off your electrical system by turning the master off, and I mean both sides of that rocker switch, shut them both off. You'll know from the inside because you'll get that kind of noise of everything shutting down. You'll see a lot of the electronics, all the electronics disappear. But that beacon light outside on top of the tail, it's going to let you know. It's also going to let you know when you start up the airplane that the master switch is on and that startup of that airplane is inevitable. So if I'm walking around or behind that airplane, if I see the beacon light on, the master switch in that airplane is on. Owning an airplane someday will always leave the beacon switch on because it will let you know if that master switch inside is on or off. So there you go. Mixture, mags, master. Say it with me a bunch. Mixture, mags, master. So say it, right? Then do it. Mixture, mags, master. And then go mixture, mags, master. Okay. There's no second guessing it. I took care of everything. I'm good to leave the airplane alone. Yeah. Tie it down, secure it, all that stuff too. But I'm not leaving the airplane in an unsecured fashion. Okay, so that's it. Like I said, quick one, important one. I hope that helps you. Run your checklists, but do this flow over and over because it will make you, it'll give you a lot better peace of mind leaving the airplane. If this video provided you value, thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. Also, consider subscribing to this channel. I've got a lot more great content coming your way.